Welcome Sunset Motors. We're located in West Tennessee. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2014 Infiniti QX70. Beautiful color. It's called Umbria Twilight, which is a fancy name for like a smoke gray, pearl. It is unique though, it's really pretty. This one has the Deluxe touring package and the premium package. It is all-wheel drive. It's got backup camera, backup sensors. It's got the front sensors also. Nice 20-inch aluminum wheels with a brand new set of tires. It's got the automatic HID headlights, fog lights. There's nothing else on the road that looks like this. Got a long nose, very sporty, aggressive stance. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax non-smoker, southern vehicle from Franklin, Tennessee. No rust. It's got the passive active key. All you do is put your hand right here to unlock, as long as the key fob's nearby, or you can lock it by pushing the button. Makes it where you don't have to get your key out of your pocket or your purse. Pretty handy. Automatic headlights, memory seat for two drivers. It's got the nice quilted, heated and cool leather seats. In very good condition. It's kind of hard to tell with the sun, but there's no sign of wear on it. It's got the WeatherTech all-weather floor mats, power liftgate, power tilt telescoping steering wheel, nice leather wrap steering wheel. You got your push start, put your foot on the brake, cranks right up. It's only got 48,924 miles, very low miles. Got your trip computer, all your gauge. There's your automatic lights, wiper, front and rear control. Here's all your audio control for the steering wheel, on the steering wheel, cruise control, AM, FM, XM Sirius satellite radio. It's activated now. I can't promise how long it'll work. It's whenever the previous customer cancels it. AM, FM. Also, you've got a 6 CD changer, navigation, very easy to read. You can also subscribe to XM weather and traffic. Keeps up with your maintenance. I like these analog clock, very classic. It is a Bose sound system, so it sounds great. Got dual climate control. Passenger and driver can have their own controls. Automatic transmission. Get the heated and cool control here, pretty straightforward. There's a snow mode, cup holder, storage. There's some outlets down here too. I do have the extra key and the quick guide. Original window sticker. How about $55,260? This is not a cheap unit, but at this price now it's affordable, and it's just like new condition. Very clean. It's got the automatic dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. Got power moonroof. It's your shade. This thing will get up and go too. 325 horse. Lots of power for a vehicle this size. Shows the color, but it's really pretty. It's easy color to keep clean too. It won't show dirt as much. It's got a roomy back seat, very comfortable. Got vents, floor mats. Nice wheels with new tires. Power lift gate, you can push the button on the remote. Well, got a nice cargo mat, full size spare. The seat lays down forward for extra cargo space. You just push the handle here and it'll go forward. You got a 12-volt outlet. Got a nice LED tail light. Oh, I also forgot to show you the perimeter surround camera. Yes, let's do it again. When you put in reverse, it shows you all around you. There's 4 cameras, back, front, and under each mirror, so it gives you a pretty good picture of what's going on. Alright, this is a 3.7 liter V6, 325 horse. Nice clean engine compartment. These vehicles are very reliable. I've sold quite a few Infiniti and I can't recall fixing any of them except just regular maintenance. Just a well-made vehicle. Plus it comes with the remainder of the 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty, so nice peace of mind. I have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on my website. If you're looking for a sharp luxury crossover in light new condition at an affordable price, this is it. To see if this QX70 is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.